Well, I'm seated at my treadle saw. The treadle is operated by 1 foot. Between the outer frame and the front frame is a draw runner. These are sort of draw runners that you can buy to make drawers that you pull out run smoothly, because there's ball bearings inside these runners, and that's what gives this such a smooth action. In the 18th century, A, it was made out of wood, and B, it wasn't mounted to a table or a frame as mine is. It was floor standing. So in the 18th century, the treadle saw was about 6 foot high, and a man stood on 1 foot using the other foot on the treadle to operate it. There's no external pressure put on the blade, and that's because the blade's in the centre of this frame. Modern saws today have a front to back frame, so there's always this side movement causing the blade to break. So this is another advantage over a treadle saw. You can saw for hours on end with just one blade. And when you think that this is one of the finest blades you can buy, which is 0.002 of a millimetre in thickness, it's amazing that I can just use this time and time again without any blade breakage. Right, so this is sand shading. This is silver sand, which I've heated up into this cast iron frying pan. You can see the effect I've got on it immediately, and it's just singed the edge of the veneer. That's quite enough to give the artistic effect. I've built the template design for this corner fan, and by following these lines here, so I've used a compass and a protractor to build this template, so I know it's accurate. I can build as many as I like, knowing that everyone is a complete copy. This was something I was taught in my training from my late uncle. By using some gum tape, and then I line up the ruler with the contour lines of this template, and that's the first flute of the fan laid. You can see now I've actually created the arc across the corner fan. I now need to make what I call the scallops at the ends of each flute. And by drawing around this 1 piece, which happens to be the just right diameter, I can successfully draw around each of them. And this is exactly how they would have been built in the 18th century. The marqueteur, he would have had hot animal glue and probably just a little bit of newsprint paper. So now I need to add a border to the ends of the scallops just to give it some artistic effect. And I do this just simply by scoring a line around the ends of the scallops from the whitewood and transfer that across to the background veneer that's going to create the alternate colour.